Homeowners in Anthem, Arizona, know how challenging it can be to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures without sending utility bills soaring. With hot summers, abundant sunshine, and dry desert air, energy efficiency isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. That's where Eco Windows and Doors of Anthem come in. Designed with advanced materials and technology, these windows and doors help homeowners save money, stay comfortable, and live more sustainably. The challenge of Anthem's desert climate. Anthem's weather is beautiful, but it also places heavy demands on homes. High cooling costs. Air conditioning systems work overtime in summer to combat intense heat. Sun exposure. Strong UV rays can heat interiors, fade furniture, and strain HVAC systems. Temperature swings. Evenings can bring cooler air, which older windows and doors fail to insulate against. Outdated or inefficient products allow air leaks, drafts, and heat transfer, all of which raise utility bills. Eco Windows and Doors of Anthem are built specifically to address these issues. Advanced technology for better efficiency. What sets Eco Windows and Doors of Anthem apart is their energy-saving design. Insulated glass units. Double or triple pane glass filled with inert gases like argon or krypton reduces heat transfer, keeping interiors cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Low E glass coatings. Low emissivity coatings reflect infrared rays while allowing natural light to enter, reducing solar heat gain without making your home feel dark. High-performance frames. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames offer superior insulation compared to traditional aluminum. These materials also resist warping and cracking in Anthem's dry, hot climate. Airtight seals. Eco products are installed with advanced weather stripping and precision engineering, ensuring minimal air leakage and maximum performance. Together, these features mean your HVAC system doesn't need to work as hard, saving energy and lowering monthly bills. Direct benefits for Anthem homeowners. Replacing outdated windows and doors with Eco Windows and Doors of Anthem brings multiple advantages. Lower utility bills, reduced heat transfer, and fewer air leaks directly cut cooling and heating costs. Improved comfort. Consistent indoor temperatures eliminate hot spots near windows or drafts around doors. UV protection. Low E coatings protect your furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading in the Arizona sun. Noise reduction. Insulated glass also helps minimize outdoor noise, creating a quieter living space. Sustainability. Using less energy reduces your household's carbon footprint, contributing to a greener future. For Anthem residents, these benefits translate into both immediate savings and long-term value. Long-term value of Eco Windows and Doors. While energy-efficient products require an upfront investment, they more than pay for themselves over time. Durability. Materials built to withstand Arizona's climate ensure your doors and windows last for decades with minimal maintenance. Resale value. Buyers in Anthem look for energy-efficient upgrades, making Eco Windows and Doors an attractive selling point. Return on investment. Monthly energy savings quickly offset installation costs, while comfort improvements add quality of life every day. By investing now, homeowners enjoy years of savings and performance. The importance of professional installation. Even the most advanced windows and doors won't deliver their full benefits without proper installation. Local professionals ensure precision fit, no gaps, drafts, or misalignment. Code compliance. Products meet Anthem's building standards and energy requirements. Warranty protection. Professional installation ensures manufacturer warranties remain valid. With expert installation, Eco Windows and Doors of Anthem maximize efficiency and durability. Final thoughts for homeowners in Anthem, Arizona. Eco Windows and Doors are more than just stylish upgrades. They're smart investments in energy savings, comfort, and sustainability. With features like insulated glass, low E coatings, airtight seals, and durable frames, these products are engineered for the demands of desert living. By reducing utility bills, protecting your home, and adding long-term value, Eco Windows and Doors of Anthem truly are the smart choice for energy-conscious families. With professional installation, you can enjoy cooler summers, lower energy costs, and peace of mind for years to come.